Charli D'Amelio is an American social media personality and dancer who creates short dance videos on the TikTok app. She has over 39 million followers on the social platform as of March 2020 and has been called the reigning queen of TikTok by the New York Times. She is the second most followed person on the platform. Mark D'Amelio is her father and Heidi D'Amelio is her mother. She has one older sister named Dixie. Her father holds the profession of a businessman and a politician, whereas her mother is a photographer. In late 2019, she began a relationship with Chase Hudson. She is a member of the collaborative TikTok group The Hype House. In January 2020, she signed with the talent agency UTA. She first became active on Instagram in 2016 and often posts throwback pictures of herself and her sister. She began her TikTok channel in June 2019. TikTok starlet who has gained fame for her self-titled channel. She has earned massive popularity for her dances with original choreography, montages and lip syncs. A number of other popular TikTok creators have been featured in collaborations on her channel such as Chase Hudson and Maximo Rivano. In November 2019, she had her first meet and greet in Norwalk, Connecticut. In December 2019, she collaborated with Andres and Tony Lopez on a dance video set to the Don Toliver song No Idea. She fulfilled a life dream in 2020 when she had the opportunity to dance alongside her idol Jennifer Lopez for a Super Bowl challenge TikTok video. Mark D'Amelio, her father, is fully supporting his daughters and is trying his best not to ruin the family's happiness and love bond. He also calls the Charli D'Amelio exposed as a false rumor. After making her first TikTok video, she was overwhelmed staying at the view count and really didn't apprehend on what to do. She has done the meet and greet program on November 2019 and the location was Norwalk, Connecticut. Many people didn't like the entry fee pricing mainly for the VIP experience of the meet and greet, and Charli disclosed that the amount was going for charities and money for security was an exception. She was selected for the Tremaine Dance Convention which happened in Boston in March of 2019. She is ranked on the top 10 followed celebrities in TikTok as of 2020.